This is how you can make money with Jumia affiliate marketing in Kenya. Go to your Chrome browser and search for Jumia affiliate program. Then click on join to earn commission. Then after that, click on register. Then enter your name, first name, last name, email, password, country, and then your phone number, and then select the account type. Just click on micro or mega or affiliate. So as an affiliate, click on affiliate and then enter your social media. Then click on agree terms and condition. After that, you will verify your account and now you can log in. For me, I already have an account, so I'll just log in. Let me log into my account. Yes. This is how your account will look like. It will show the amount of commission that you have been paid. From your invoice, you can see the commission that have been paid so far, and the pending commission as well as the approved commission. To get your referral link, click on the three dots on the left corner and click on advertising. Then click on offers. Click on Jumia e-commerce, then click on Kenya. Then come and choose the offers you want to promote. So let's choose phone appliances. Then click on shorten URL. So this is the link you will use to refer people to purchase items like appliances from phone. So copy this and then just come to the search bar and just paste that link to see if it is directing you to the phone page on Jumia store. So this is the store, the Jumia store for phone, and when someone comes and purchase any of these appliances through your link, you earn a commission. So the next step is to create content about these appliances and share the link on your social media platform. That is it, and you'll be able to earn commission the way I earn commission too. So this is how to make money with affiliate marketing in Kenya. Follow for more and like this video.